line for the next whole week. Baby, it's too long for me. So cheap, being flex OD, sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tiara, and as y'all can tell by the title, your girl's gonna be installing this 613 and slash ginger wig. And y'all, this wig is giving, I think it's BodyWave, I want to say, and I put some curls in them, y'all, and it's giving for real. And I was kind of underestimating the two colored edges, but I mean, it's cute, like it's giving, y'all. I feel like I ate on this wig. I'm really not sure how many inches, but make sure y'all check down below in the description box. I'm gonna have the exact link to this hair, and I'm gonna have the website that I got the hair from, y'all. This hair is thebomb.com. Like, baby, it speaks for itself, period, as y'all just seen. So make sure y'all stay tuned to see how I achieve this look, period, and I will see y'all again at the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoy. So I am starting with my ball cap already done, y'all, and I know y'all like, girl, why you ain't got no more makeup on that ball cap? Y'all, I literally ran out of my lace tint, and the makeup that I have does not match my skin. Well, the makeup I had at the time, now I have the right makeup, but the makeup I had at the time did not match my skin tone. So yeah, not too much on the ball cap, but I'm just applying the lace, like trying to see where I'm gonna put the glue and everything, and trying to see how the lace fit my head. And I just, y'all, I was on live, so do not mind me steady talking, okay?
Girls love Beyonce. Girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. This job you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No, no friends, no. You know how this shit go. You got your fair share. But call your work and call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I've been.
So I went in with one layer of my lace glue, and I just smoothed it out, and then I waited for it to dry clear, and that's when I applied my lace to the head, and I just like combed it down to, like, you know, make sure that it's like stuck.
This ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games. This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for locking your phone and not coming home and start some shit.
Y'all, I always realize how much more I could have plucked a wig whenever I'm like in this process right here, like going it down or whatever. So I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna just have to start taking a risk and plucking a wig, baby. One wig, I'm gonna just end up over plucking it and mess around with a bald spot, because I do not pluck the wigs enough. But oh, while bleaching this wig, y'all, good thing I was looking up how to bleach a wig with 613 hair, because I was literally gonna put the bleach all over the lace, and good thing I didn't, because I wouldn't have had no hair in the blonde section. But anyways, I just stuck the lace down, and now I'm putting on my elastic band, and I just went in and did me some curls, y'all. This is my first time curling, so not too much per.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fucking night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die. just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face in action. These days, no my aim. Niggas be blasting. Living in the mix, though. This shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, blood and murder. There ain't no second chances. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die.
Now I'm cutting the lace, y'all, and I was so mad because it's like the brown, not the brown, the blonde section. It's like, I don't know, like I know y'all see white right now, but by the end of the video you not, but like you would still see it on the blonde section. I'm really not sure why, but I think I was supposed to add makeup or something, but at the time I didn't have any makeup. But now I know like to add makeup, but I'm really not sure why I did that. But once I got to like the end of the video and like the edges and everything, it wasn't as bad as it looked right now.
Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P. Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push a P.
Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace.
Got a spot at puff spot. Jeff a piece.
Drop the data, now we plot inside the peas.
She not a lesbian. P, she turned lesbian.
Push a P.
Push a P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents.
Push a P.
Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze and she leave, cause she keep a P.
Private suite, privacy, jump pushing P.
Purple paint, pink, push a P.
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 Yeah. Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Yeah.
Papa P, I'm paranoid. I can't sleep, my pockets deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm
Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Yeah.
Got it, Push a P. Okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche. Push P.
And right here I'm just going in and pulling the edges out, y'all. I feel like I did pretty good. Oh, I'm not pulling the edges out yet, but yeah, there I go. I'm doing the edges and I'm finna get ready to cut them, but I really do feel like I did good on the edges this time. Like, period, y'all. Do not play with me. Like, don't play, period.
Tussle. I never see ready in the streets for me, no question. Too rich to text, I lift my shoulder forward. Take the P at the alphabets, try to sort it. I'm pushing P, push a P, I'm pushing P,
Push a P.
I'm pushing P, P,
Push a P.
push a P,
Push a P.
push a P.
Yeah.
And y'all, I had to do so much messing around with that piece right there that I had to pull the lace up. So I had to put some of the lace glue right there. And y'all, just look at how it looks. Like, why do it look like that? Like, I was so mad. But anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna go in and do the little piece of edge for this part. And I ate for real.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty up a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tense.
I fuck with you? If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know. Cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby.
So y'all, it's the end of the video, and how y'all feel? How y'all feel? Because I'm feeling great, as y'all can tell. Yeah, I feel like I ate. Like, you could see the like I don't know, I don't know if that's how blonde supposed to be or what, but like you can see the lace a little bit right there, but I think that's because I ain't cut off enough. But other than that, I ate for real. But let me know if y'all want a curl tutorial down, and I would definitely do one. But y'all, this hair like is so nice. Like, I love it so much. Like, make sure y'all click the link down in the description box to shop with them. I think their site is called Eullair. It's EULLAIR. I don't know how to pronounce it, y'all. Y'all know I don't know how to pronounce names, so just click the link. Just click the link down in the description box, and y'all will find all the details about this hair and all the details about the site that I got it from. I love y'all, and peace out.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kissed.